Good afternoon, as you join me on another adventure. This time I'm in the Cadair Idris range and up on the Waun-Oer ridge is where I'm heading. So gonna get 3 more new mountains bagged today, stroke this evening, and then we're gonna find somewhere to pitch high up top once we get up there. I brought my mate's son with us today. Say hello to Billy.
Hello.
So, anyway, bring you back in a bit. So we're currently at 6:05 and there, interview, Waun-Oer. Yeah. Snowdon in the distance there, looking up the valley. Still have some Cribin Fawr. Rhinogs. Rennigs in the background there. What a view. Valor Lake as well. Just you. And we're heading to Waun-Oer first. So here I am, topping out on Waun-Oer. Another new one in the bag. Brilliant. Young Billy, that's Cadair Idris. He's running up that hill, running out of breath. I've done that. Let's get a photo of that as well. Yeah, stay there. Happy days. Somebody's been here today, by the looks of it. Just in the distance you can make out where I was on Glasgow and Penna, whatever it was, the Arran Ridge in the background. There it was just 2 weeks ago. Right, so we're gonna dump the gear, hightail it to Cribin Fawr, hightail it across up to Maesglase, and then come back, pitch. See you in a bit. Look at that view. So that's Waun-Oer there. We've dumped the pags, dropped all the way down, back up, and that's Cribin Fawr summit there. And the Arrans, Renigs, the Renig Fawr in the distance, with Morth Lieutenant, Northern Snowdonia, so you can see Shabod, the Glidders, the Canadai, Snowdon, the Nantley Ridge and the Mulwins, the Rhinogs, Cadair Idris. Cribin Fawr summit. This is it. And there's Maesglase. Summit just yet. Here it is. This is the proper summit. Yeah. this one bit here. Ah, there we go. Taking the stick out the hole. So Billy's had a rest on the ridge, and I've hightailed it towards Maesglase, and there it is. So I'll bag this as quickly as I can, get back to Billy, get back to Waun-Oer, so we can set up camp for the night. So here we are, Maesglase, stunning views. This would have been a good camp spot, to be honest. So there's the Berwins where I were last week, across there. Cowder Berwin in the background. 2 weeks ago I was there, Glasgow and Penna, whatever. Stunning views. Right, quick picky now, and then back to Billy and setting up camp. Oh, awesome, absolutely awesome. And there's Pumlummon there, mighty Cadair Drifts in the background, plus Waun-Oer where we're camping. So that's all 3 mountains bagged now for me. I'm just going to hop over this fence now, and we're going to make our way back up to Waun-Oer, where we can set up camp, have a drink and something to eat. Stunning views, although it's a bit hazy. Maze balls. Back at Waun-Oer now. Before I set up, I've got to have a drink. Although it's hazy, it's still going to give us a nice sort of sunset. Stunning. And just like that, there it was gone. All that's left is the imprints from the tents. All rubbish bagged up to be carried out. And away we go. Well, that's it for another adventure. And me and my little compadre Billy. 3 more new nuttals in the bag, and a stunning wild camper's now stood back at the car in the Mac Loop area. I'm going to head back home, stop off at Bala for a breakfast butty. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and hit like on the video. See you on the next one, guys.